Let's talk about data types. So while we say data types in Python, it may be an integer, it may be a floating point number, it may be a boolean, it may be a string, it may be a set, it may be a dictionary, so it also may be a tuple. It also may be a list. So these are the types or data types in Python. So I just want to comment out this and I talk about each one of them. Every time while we write some numbers, it may be an integer. Integer means a number, positive or negative. It doesn't mean any kind of number it contains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, negative 5, plus 9, any number it can take. It is called integer. While we say a float, it means a floating point number. What does floating point means? While we say 5.3, 5.6, 5.9, any number, while it will be a floating point, we just call that float. This is also a data type in this. And we call boolean while we need true or false. This is bool. So in this playlist, I will talk about each and every of them. But in this video, I will explain just 2 of them, not to confuse you. So after that, we will have a string. While we have a piece of a string, this is a string. Hello. This is a string. We just need to store this in this data type. So set, we will talk about this. In dictionary, tuple, list, we will talk each and every one of them in this. So besides this, while we say these are data types in programming language or in Python programming language, so we just have some other data types as well that we ourselves will create, like classes. So we just ourselves will create this. This also we can call custom. So while we say list or this data types, it means it stores the value. You just create a store and remove these data types from your code or from your program. So these are fundamentals. Let's have this fundamentals. So these data types are fundamental data types. So other we said that we have classes. Classes means which we overuse. We ourselves will create this. It is called custom type. So another one we have that some specialized data types. We have, which means some special packages, some special libraries, we just call this. It's also called packages or libraries. And besides all of them, we have another one, that none. This is another data type. It means nothing. It may be idea of 0. It means absence of value. None will not be in fundamentals path. So let's clear all of them except these two. Let's see 2 plus 3. What will be the output? I just want to comment out it. What will be the output? Let's run this. Firstly, I want to save. Let's see this, and I want to just print this. I just see what will be 6 as the output. Good. The output is great. See, when I write here type, it means show the type of this. What will be the type? You just see here. I just want to run. Whoa! It has shown the type. Integer. Let's try another one. See, type of 5.2 plus 2.1. Let's see what the type of this will be. See, float, as I said. So let's have another one. Print type 5 divided by 3. I just want to run this. Floating point, because when we divide 5 by 3, it will be 1 point something. So this will shown that float. Let's clear this. And I have another one. 5 by 2. What will be the output of this? Let's see. 2. Because this is modulus. And have the same procedure once again in different. 5 modulus 2. What will be the output? 1. Why? Add happened. This means what will be the remainder? This means how much with it divided without pointing number, how much will be the value? 2 and 1. It is shown here.